What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe 2.0 fam, we are back. I don't know why y'all didn't blow up my previous Pepe 2 video, man. Go support the Pepe 2 videos, guys. Nothing but bangers on the channel. We got some huge news, guys, in this one. Bitmart. The exchange Bitmart saw the volume Pepe 2 is bringing to their exchange, and they're bullish on Pepe 2, man. Bitmart is shilling and pushing the crap out of Pepe 2. We're gonna dive into that in this video, guys. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow these videos up. Guess what? The more you guys support content creators, the more awareness for the project. You plaster it all over YouTube as soon as people open up YouTube. If they're a Shiba investor, they're a Pepe investor, the original Pepe, right? Pepe 1, I guess. They see the videos on their recommended. As soon as they open YouTube, they see Pepe 2. Guess what? You just got new people in the community, new people to help with raiding on Twitter, new people to help raise that price of Pepe 2, guys. So support the content creators, blow these videos up, man. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project. Now let's see, we're down 12.5% on Pepe 2, but I'm expecting a bounce, man. $24.5 million in market cap, $17.8 million in 24-hour trade volume. Let's take a look at the exchanges for Pepe 2, man. Let's take a look at the exchanges. You guys can see, right? $3.7 million in volume for KuCoin, $2.8 million in volume for Uniswap, a DEX getting so much volume. Gate.io 2.2 million, BitGet 1.8, Mexi 4.3 million volume for Mexi Global. And y'all already know, man, Bitmart seen that nice volume, 500k in volume for Bitmart. Bitmart is a very underrated low tier exchange, so they see the volume coming in for Pepe 2 and they're happy about it, right? So yeah, guys, what I'm expecting for Pepe 2, we see Bitcoin starting to make a breakout, so I'm hoping Pepe 2 follows Bitcoin, right? You can see from the chart right here, the blue line is Pepe 2. Bitcoin is starting to make a move up on the weekend, no less, right? Normally weekends are very slow. That's typically how they are. Weekends are very slow, but for some reason we're bullish this weekend, man. That's why I said it gotta be the start of the bull market. It is the start of the bull market, so make sure y'all load up, get y'all great altcoins, get some exposure to meme coins, and wait. Right? Obviously I'm not gonna say go all in on a meme coin, but you gotta get some exposure to meme coins, right? You have to. You don't want to miss out 100x ROIs on meme coins. You just don't, right? So they got a few meme coins that I think will last and will, you know, just by the community and what they got going, the narrative. And Pepe 2 could potentially be one of those meme coins, but obviously, you know, manage your risk, guys. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. But overall, I expect a bounce for Pepe 2, man. Good morning. Had a morning coffee outside today, Pepe 2. Planning for billions. We getting the beers out of here, man. You can see, man, Pepe 2 on the rise. Price go up when moon, yeah, guys. When moon, send it to the moon, guys. Send it to the absolute moon. Because when it comes to Pepe 2, it got so much going for it. When the website updated, I was like, this symbolizes Pepe 2 so much. Like, just a bunch of people with a common goal, right? This is the community of Pepe 2. And one thing I've learned about meme coins, if it got a strong narrative and a strong community and it got a lot of people talking about it, got a lot of people willing to share the project, spread awareness of the project, it could send really, really hard. that's what I've seen, man. So yeah, I wouldn't fade Pepe 2, man. I really wouldn't fade Pepe 2. We could see you know, if it just makes sense. You miss Pepe, get Pepe 2, man. They also have their NFTs and everything. Did all the NFTs already mint out? Did they mint out all their NFTs? I don't even know. I don't even know if they've minted out their NFTs, but you could see that also a narrative that is shaping up with meme coins, where there's the NFT project and the meme coin, right, to add a little bit more utility to the project, man. So yeah, guys, pretty nice stuff from Pepe 2. Unblock Crypto, quick Saturday morning Pepe 2 update. As predicted, it grew steadily to previous support, bounced off of it in the evening and retraced somewhat overnight. Time to regroup and start a new push. That resistance being broken will be a very bullish signal. We only started a retrace after this move up because Bitcoin started a retrace, in my opinion. So now that Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now that Bitcoin is starting to make a nice little pop up, you can see it's starting a little, you know, something going on, you know. With that pop up, as long as it continues to make this move up, guys, from here today throughout the rest of the week, we'll see we'll start to see Pepe 2 start to move up as well. Shout out to On Block Crypto from Crypto Love. Like if you have bought some Pepe 2, retweet if you want Binance to list Pepe 2.0. Pepe 2.0 potential Binance listing in the midst, guys. Let's see something real quick, guys. Let's see. Binance Pepe 2. See, they already tracking Pepe 2 on Binance, man. Binance.com, how to buy Pepe 2 guide. They already tracking it, man. You know, that's pretty nice to see. Who knows what could happen, man. Potential Binance listing for Pepe 2, guys. You know, I wouldn't rule it out. I wouldn't rule it out at all, man. You just never know what the future holds, guys, because I never expected Floki to get listed on Binance. Sure as heck didn't expect Pepe to get listed on Binance, so who's to say Pepe 2 can't get listed there as well. From Crypto Journeys, woke up to Pepe 2 in the green, and it's gonna keep going, man. And right here, like I said, Bitmart is bullish on Pepe 2. Like and retweet if you're also a fan of choosing both. They putting us up next to XRP, man. They putting us up next to XRP. The exchange Bitmart is bullish on Pepe 2, man. They're bullish on Pepe 2. They're shilling Pepe 2. You see this guy with his eyes emojis. Pepe 2. Look at the community. Aurori, El Eli, Amina, Supreme, No Luck, Doge Moon, Dimitri W, John Kaka. Look at that, man. Look at it. Bitmart, man, super bullish on Pepe 2. They had another tweet from Bitmart, man. Oh man, did I lose it? Hold on, man. I had another tweet from Bitmart about Pepe 2. Man, don't tell me I lost it, man. Let's see if I can find it again, guys. Bear with me, guys. Bitmart also made another tweet recently, man, which is pretty bullish. Pepe 2 would like to order a Happy Meal 2.0, please. That was the first tweet that I shared. I saw another one, man. Here it is. Oh, right here. Look at this. Bitmart, man. Ride the Pepe 2. Ride the Pepe 2 wave. Those my apologies. Don't miss your chance to win one of the 5 whitelists for the Pepe 2 30% off flash sale. Right? July 14th. Saying June. I'm a month behind. July 14th to July 17th. They're gonna be doing a 30% off whitelist for Pepe 2. Just gotta follow Bitmart and another Twitter account. Retweet and tag 3 friends, and enter the Gleam. Do the Gleam task, right? You guys already know what Gleam is. Like, you go in and like, retweet, whatever it says to complete, and then you could potentially get 30% off on Pepe 2 for the next couple days, guys. 2 more days, man. Bitmart is bullish on Pepe 2, guys. You know, it's interesting to see when exchanges are doing the shilling for the community. If the exchanges are spreading awareness for Pepe 2, it got something going on for it, man. You can't ignore that, right? This is things that is super bullish that you can't ignore, guys. I gotta say, Pepe 2 community, Pepe 2 fam, you guys are beast. You guys just gotta keep it up. Also, something that I remember seeing, I'm not sure if it's still active or not. Look at that, trending #1. I also saw that they were doing a promotion on Etherscan as well. I was checking another project. I'm not seeing it right now, but I was checking another project, and I saw Pepe 2 was on the top of Etherscan, you know, getting promotion on Etherscan. So everybody was checking wallets, holders, all that other stuff on Etherscan. Guess what they were seeing, man? Pepe 2, right? That's so much awareness, man, and that's why we're trending #1 on Dex Tools right now, man. So much awareness for the project is there. I'm hoping we find a support and then start to bounce and continue up further once again for Pepe 2. Pepe 2 fam, thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. I really appreciate the support, and also join the Patreon. One of the patrons just got a 2x, man, and we're gonna get more gains in the future, guys. And just call it 2x on the Patreon. Only exclusive projects on the Patreon, guys. So join the Patreon, first link in the description. Really appreciate the support once again. Like, comment, subscribe, blow this video up, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. Pepe 2 to the moon. Let's go.